So guys, welcome back to my channel, The Boy FX. So many of you have been asking me how I was able to catch all this trade on BTC last week. Last week was literally fire on my Telegram channel. Everybody's eating. We were all eating. So before I did my move, I came onto the 4 hour time frame to basically know our directional bias, which I used my Fibonacci to I marked out from this point here, our lowest low to our higher high after this after you can see this clear break of structure to the upside. So what am I anticipating now? This is my discount zone, and this is my premium, and this is my discount. Sorry. So what I'm looking in my premium zone is only for sales. So once price gets into my discount zone, we start buying. We start buying massively. So I waited patiently and I took some sales. Price got into my discount. Then I moved down to the 1 hour time frame. I moved down to my 1 hour time frame. Guys, I'm using pure SMC, so you might not get it well, but this is pure SMC if you look it well. So firstly, this trade with this kind of type one setup, yes, gave us it swept this high, gave us liquidity here. You can see that liquidity is very good. It gave us a very beautiful V-shaped liquidity. So we have our POI and our liquidity, and the directional bias is also correct. So we had to jump into this trade, guys. So, and I saw another breaker block here, another liquidity, and I did as well to share each and every signal in my Telegram channel, and I will be showing you guys if you stay tuned. And I think I might be giving away $100 to my free subscribers. Someone you might be able to win. I don't know. So on this other trade, I saw a double break of structure, and price came back to give us this beautiful liquidity at the downside. Another order block here. So I took this trade. Coming again here, since our bias is still on uptrend, I saw break of structure here. Another break of structure here again. That's basically a double break of structure. And then our order block here, our liquidity is present, and I took the buy. Coming down here again, this is basically type 1, same setup as our first setup here, a type 1 setup. Oh, sorry. So I keep a track of all my trades. This is sweep, and then beautiful liquidity was given. So I took the buy. I could have hold this buy much more longer, but I think that's pretty much what I did. Then coming to this week, I think these ones were last week, yes. Coming to this week, price gave us a break of structure, and then I saw this POI on a 2 hour time frame. You can see this clear POI. That's a break of structure, another block, break of structure, and our liquidity is present. So I knew that price will somehow come back to this our other block. But while waiting for price to come back to this other block, I started looking for sales. Sales. This is the first sale that I got. If you look out where, so this was my POI, my POI, IPOI, and then liquidity beautifully play out. Another one again, price still came, break this level in order to come and fill this level. And this our break of structure and our liquidity. I don't just trade, but I took it as well. All the trades I'm showing you guys, we all eat it. You can check it out. My free Telegram. I share all the signals. All guys, just you can see all the signals I've been sharing. What I've been eating. What I've been eating. All. I basically shared all the signals, guys. Back to chat. While waiting, this is the POI that I marked out. Yes. So price letter came and tapped in. I I held this I held this trade more than because I knew that what you take out this high. So this was my take profit. So in other words, we still came break of structure. Okay, yes, this is our break of structure. Then our liquidity gave us POI. One thing that makes me to catch more of these trades is because what? I trade on a higher time frame. You look at the bigger picture, trade like the institutions, the big banks. When you look at the market like the way the bigger institution look at the market, you tend to do what? You tend to trade the way they trade and you make a lot more profit. You know. So trading on a higher time frame can make you as well a profitable trader. So coming down here, I saw this um breaker block which pretty much failed and I took a buy somewhere around here. But it just gave us a few ones profit. I think this way it took us out and then reversed. I also took this buy which gave us this high move. Then from here I was anticipating price to get to this my my zone here because there's no more POI, there's no more bias like other block here. So I thought price would maybe get down here, get down, get. So I took this sell around here. We just gave us a 2, 1 to 2 risk reward, and then move back my stop loss. But I closed before it could move back to my stop loss because I saw some buy potentials. So basically, what I'm anticipating for this week, I've not seen any trade yet, but I've seen this break of structure. So I'm waiting for price to get to this zone. Then we start selling again. We start selling. But if price break this structure, this will be my POI. So I'm waiting. If price break this structure, give us a break of structure here and break this structure, then come and retest. This will be my POI for a buy. But this sell will not hold for long because of what? We are on an uptrend. So that's basically what I saw on BTC. USD guys, please make sure to subscribe and share. Coming back to my Telegram, I shared everything, each and every trade I caught, I shared it on my Telegram. Take a look, take a look. I shared each and everything on my Telegram. Each and everything, each. Guys, only profit. It's basically what we do here. Not much. You caught everything. I'm sharing everything. So that's pretty much all for now. Thank you and make sure to subscribe.